Now today we must look at least for a minute at Europe as we begin the course.
Well, I didn't
Europe
realize.
roughly-
See, I didn't realize that no one else had, was taping it. I did it because I wanted my dad to hear the tapes. I had my bar mitzvah bell and howl, this boxy thing, that I had gotten in 1962. With the little, with the cord and the mic. There might be some sort of mic interference. I'd move the hand here, move it here, move it here. Nobody paid any attention. Every time I went in, and I wasn't this surreptitious with Mosse, because I never asked him, he didn't seem to care. He didn't care. I will tell you that the history that George was talking about was not a history I was unfamiliar with. My dad came out of Eastern Europe. I mean, he lost his family, not in any of the concentration camps, but by partisans just shooting them in the head. Professor Mosse's class was in a way totally different, because when you're talking about Nazism, when you're talking about anti-Semitism, when you're talking about the European form of racism, with Professor Mosse, it was like, it was like the Johnstown flood coming towards you. There was nothing you could do about it. You just had to, sit there and wait for the deluge.